and Henry, 9 years old, just come from school, and we're going to plant Magnolia Shiraz. Want to get a nice level, so it's about the level of the soil. Is we're going to put some mycorrhizal Magnolia Shiraz. Grow well. So today we are going to plant one of our second to last magnolias here at Gweek House. And Henry, 9 years old, just come from school, and we're going to plant Magnolia Shiraz. Great position, light throughout the day, nice bit of afternoon stroke evening light. Right here, got black tulip, Rosa Marie there, Iolanthe there, Shiraz there, and Heaven Sent's going behind. Got my pup, the dog, so I've dug the hole, nice and deep, taken the stones out, and got some nice ericaceous compost. pH of the soil is about 6, which is pretty ideal. Henry is now going to position the plant next to the stake, just to give it some stability. It's a windy day, so we're going to go with it. I'm just going to loosen it off a little bit. Okay, do you want me to pull it out?
Yep.
There we go, look at the roots on it. So this bad boy will grow up to like 35 feet. It's only a dinker at the moment. Want to get a nice level, so it's about the level of the soil. And we want to get a good position, don't we, son?
Yep.
And so we want to get a position there so we can put a tie on it. West is there, so prevailing wind coming across, banging it, will give it some support. East, bit tricky if it's blown easterly, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. Right, in we go. Oh, what we forgot actually is we're going to put some mycorrhizal powder in. Henry, you're going to spread it in there. So I want you just to, just like that. Just into the hole, that's it. Keep going all the way around. Don't let put it lower down so the wind doesn't blow it away. That's it. Okay, that'll do. Daddy will put one in as well. Around the hole, planting hole. Ideal, but a tiny little bit for luck. This will help the roots. Okay, in goes the plant. How's that look? So it's a lean that way, which will be good because I reckon that's going to be bob on. We don't want it to pull against there and damage the leaves. So I reckon about there. Right, Henry, do you want to get your hands dirty? You start putting some soil in around. We'll mix it with a bit of this. You put a bit of this in. Oh, we got a stone. You go in, son. That's it. Get a big chunk of it because we want to come all the way up here. That's it, get your hands in there. If you want to just like flop it in. That's it, brilliant. Drop it in. Daddy will just mix it around. You keep dropping it in, bit of teamwork here. And then we'll use a bit of this as well. Mix it up a bit. Yeah, well done, good job. Bit of that. You might need a bit of soil out of there in a minute. Keep putting some of this ericaceous in, gives it a good start in life. Good stuff. Well done, just scoop it over there. We've got some more here. There we go. Okay, good stuff, dude. Keep plying some of that in. Put some around the back. That's it, try to drop it on the ground, that's it, well done. So I'm going to pat it down a bit, compact it, but not too much.
Bit more?
Oh yeah, keep going. And I'll put some more of this in. Get some of that root stuff out, there's bits of stone in there. So we hope that this tree will grow nice and big and strong, and hopefully Henry's, if he has any children one day, will see who planted this tree. And then, as long as Mummy shows herself on the camera as well, so she can just show herself, turn the camera around. She's got to be famous too.
Yeah, you're a bit of a hunter.
Take some stone out. I want you to go around lightly around the edge some with your foot and just heel it in, but try not to touch the leaves because we don't want to snap them off. Okay, be very careful. We start to snap a leaf, we lose a lot of growth. That's it. Brilliant. Okay, that's great.
Bit of it.
I reckon we're done. Oh, a bit round there. That's it, brilliant. And there we have Magnolia Shiraz. Grow well and provide us with lots and lots and years of fun. Beautiful. There we go. We got to put a little bit of mulch on it. So where's that? Where's the mulch? Whoa, little plant. So we got some. Oh, Mummy's sitting on it. So Henry, Mummy's gonna have to get up a minute. Now we got to put some of this on. Shall I do this bit, Henry?
I can help. Do you want the water can over?
Not yet. Need to put some of this on it. You want me to do it so you don't get your hands all mucky again? Okay, this keeps the weeds out. It's pine bark mulch and stops the weeds, suppresses the weeds growth, gives it stops it drying out, and gives it also a bit of nutrients as well. And in a minute, Henry, we want you to do the most important job, and what is that?
Water?
Water. If you can water from this side so it doesn't run straight off. Okay. Nice and gently. All the way around on that side. That's it. I want you to put all of that in there pretty much. Okay, once you've got most of it in, come around this side. Oh. Okay, there we go. So let's just, because it's got a special feed in here, and that's the last bit of feed I have. And there we go. And I'll build a cage to stop the rabbits eating it.
Woo!